We are pleased to show you the 2016
Buick Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.